How to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find or fix the search bar missing issue in Google Chrome. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, the search bar is missing here. To fix this, just click on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the Chrome. And now here from the drop down menu, just go down and click on settings. And now here, once you see the interface like this, look at the left hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on the option that says search engine. Now here, look at the search engine used in the address bar. Often the search bar disappears because the currently selected search engine is causing an issue. So here you can simply change it to different search engine. For example, I like to use Google. Now here you can verify the search engine once you have set it as a default, and here as you can see that the search bar is back. And that's it. Now here when you open a new tab, the search bar will be back. It's really simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.